Welcome everyone to this special unique video review, guys. I'm gonna tell you what kind of new platform and token that I have invested right now. You can follow me up. The links are in the video description if you also want to invest into this new project that is extremely hyped right now, and of course that is already quite big. We're gonna cover a bit what is the project behind it, what it's all about here, but of course very important, guys. If you want to be invested, always use the link in the video description and get on board into this one, guys, because I think that UNICH is going to be very promising, and also you're gonna get a lot of benefits by investing right now before the token goes live. So you can basically invest during this pre-market phase into UNICH token. It's called the UNCH token. The IDO is coming up, guys, and that's why I am buying into this one here right now. You can also invest into this one if you want. Link is right here in the video description, right at the top. Of course, this is all no financial advice, guys. I'm just sharing everything that I'm buying and trading and where I'm bullish at. I'm always sharing that with you. Those are my own opinions. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a dude here on YouTube talking about new crypto stuff and of course new crypto projects, because usually with those new crypto projects you have always the best upside potential whenever you're buying early in, and this is something completely new and nice, guys, to invest in right now. It doesn't matter if you like meme coins or if you like utility coins and so on. I think that here we have a great package that combines a bit everything, because this is the first OTC platform that is coming out that gives both buyers and also sellers exit flexibility, and also it is kind of a pioneer, the pre-market and pre-order model. So now it is also expanding to staking, lending, borrowing for the pre-market phase of the tokens and so on. And this is the first ever pre-order with built-in leverage without liquidation risk, because normally whenever you're trading with leverage you also have liquidation risks. Here not, and this is something very special and new, and that's why I like the idea behind it, and that's why I like to invest also into this token. You can even download already now the app on your Google Play. So if you have an Android phone, you can already get access to it on Apple Store. It is upcoming soon. And this one here has already over 1 billion on-chain trading volume as well, and 20 million plus revenue and 4 million from users. So it is already quite big here, the platform. You can check it out with the link in the video description, guys. So here we have really already an ongoing basically marketplace and platform, and they also are offering a very nice airdrop system as well. So if you're fulfilling different tasks, you can even get more points and also get like an airdrop here as well by just fulfilling some easy stuff here as well. So they have really an all-around platform here that you can take advantage on. You can see that they have already over 100,000 downloads already here of their app here on their store. This is how it looks like. So check it out, guys. The reviews are also very good, and of course their community is extremely big. As you can see, they have over 1 billion trading volume total, and also over 500,000 followers here. So definitely make sure to be part of the community. Sign up to their Twitter account. The link is also here in the video description, and also they're very active here and announcing always the news basically of this platform. Then also they have this buyback and burn driven by real revenue as well, and that's why also I like to invest into their tokens as well. As you can see, they're just getting started, so not much has been raised so far, and that is because the IDO has just started. I mean, the pre-market phase of the coin has just started, and this is going to be their own token. And you know how it is with those exchange tokens or wallet tokens. Very often, if an exchange is getting used or a wallet is getting used, those tokens over a long time they raise up in value a lot, and that's why I like to invest into such utility coins as well. They already got audited by Softstack, so everything should be okay with the project, etc. And also, if you want to invest in it, you can easily just safely connect your wallet, and different wallets are of course accepted. Me, I like to invest usually with MetaMask. You can also use Solana on MetaMask as well. Just connect the wallet here, and then you're ready to go. Also the signature is requested, so just click here confirmed, and then you are logged in successfully. Then you can buy, for example, with Solana, USDC, USDT, and so on. You can also be whitelisted here, because all the NFT holders then here, they're gonna have those birds NFTs as well, and they're gonna burn NFT for a 25% discount on the price. Buy up to $500 worth of those tokens for each NFT, and use maximum 5 NFTs per purchase as well to reduce the cost of the coin then. And this is then the price, the current price, and then the next price increase with every time they're reaching a certain level, the price will increase, of course, and that's why it makes sense to buy in early. So a lot of updates, a lot of stuff is going on here, guys. That's why I would be subscribed on their Twitter account, on their Telegram account, everywhere. And there are different token utilities as well that you can get access here. For example, early access, burn to boost, reduced fees, and so on the platform later on. So this is also going to be a Web3 wallet. That means completely decentralized. This is an own ecosystem itself. And that's why this OTC pre-market basically exchange makes me very bullish, and this is something that we never have seen before. It's like the first of its kind, and yeah, this makes me very bullish. Also, it's like a community governance token as well, and they have these free mint NFTs for WL users, and yeah, it's basically an all-in-one package. They already partnered up with a lot of crypto companies and crypto websites and so on. You can see all the partners down here, like Kible or Red.pay, Kima Network, and so on. You can check them out here. Also frequently asked questions you can find here, and so on. So basically on the website you really see everything that is needed in order to get started, basically. And if you go to the website and click trade now, you can get access here to the dashboard here as well. You can already start to trade here with different coins already. And yeah, also the airdrop here, you can switch between the Web3 wallet and the airdrop here immediately. Tap to earn. Visit the UNICH, the website. Let's return back to the Web3 website by clicking here, and you see also the new listings that are upcoming, trending by volume. So everything is really easy accessible here. And here, for example, also you can this wrapped Ethereum or wrapped Bitcoin pre-order OTC as well, or pre-market OTC. So you have basically access here to OTC market as well, and this is only possible here through UNICH. Others, like retail people like me and you, they don't have access to OTC market like this. And this is really the first one, which is going to be the first and exclusive over-the-counter OTC platform designed for trading emergence token before their official market debut. And that's why I think that this is definitely a tool that you should keep in mind and also sign up to, because in the future you could be needed, it could be needed, and of course everyone has access now to OTC deals as well. And this is what makes me very, very bullish about UNICH, guys. And that's why I am currently investing into this one here as well. And also here the dashboard, everything is like on every other exchange, so very easy and simple to use. And when you go here to trade, you can see here pre-market OTC, point market OTC, that's kind of peer-to-peer trading. So different pairs are available, not of course everywhere yet, but they are working on it. More and more updates, more and more coins are coming up, and that's why I would be in here from the beginning to get used to it, and of course also to be part of these tokens right from the beginning on, guys. You can download the app, you can try it out, the OTC marketplace already now, but the token cell itself is not yet launched, and that's why I'm so bullish with this one as well. And you can use different coins also to invest into this one. NFTs also will be dropped here as well, and yeah, you can already get whitelisted and so on. So stay tuned, I keep you updated on this one here as well. The link is in the video description, guys. I bought into this one. You can buy whatever amount that you want here. You just put the amount and then click here buy UN now. I already got some, and I'm definitely gonna buy more as well. Staking will be also available later on, so definitely stay tuned, and I wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know what do you think about UNICH. Important is that you are subscribed, and if you want to get updates on this one and if you want to buy it, use the link in the video description right at the top and be subscribed here, because I keep you updated on this token and of course on the platform as well every day. Every day I keep you updated, guys. Not only this one, of course, but in the crypto space, whatever is going on, I keep you updated every day. So that's why be subscribed, guys. Make sure to be part of this crypto world. And with UNICH, we have a new platform and a new marketplace where we get access to OTC trading as well. And this, of course, has also to do that with OTC. Often you get better prices and also lower costs and fees as well. And that's why it's really like a win-win situation. So let me know if you are investing or not, guys. Of course, no financial advice. I'm just sharing everything that I like, that I'm investing and so on with you guys. And UNICH is definitely one that I cannot ignore, that I wanted to share with you guys. So let me know what do you think about it. Be subscribed, stay tuned, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye.